According to the internet, big butts are the new black or something. Hi, it's Keri with Buzz60. Unless you've been living under a rock, you've seen paper magazines attempt to break the internet with images of Kim Kardashian's backside. It's just another picture in a barrage of images reminding us that big butts are so in style. So what about girls with small backsides? A man unknown to most, other than as Katy Perry's boyfriend, started thinking about women who are lacking in the butt department and tweeted out an idea to help a woman who has virtually no junk in her trunk, Taylor Swift. Someone else thought this was a great idea, and now there's a crowdfunding website to raise cash to enhance the already perfect Taylor Swift. Now she can be even more popular. Eric Spivak created the Fundly campaign, urging people to join the cause, and Diplo has thrown his support behind it. Taylor Swift still needs your help. Any true supporter of T-Swift would definitely not pass up this opportunity to improve her posterior. This is a joke. Oh, I get it. A joke about women's bodies needing work. I bet Swifties found the humor in that one. Celebrity gal pal Lord did have something to say to Diplo on Twitter, saying, "Should we do something about your tiny penis while we're at it? All this talk of butt size makes me long for the days when side boob was the big trend." Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.